starting out a vlog at night. I feel like I never really do this. I'm about to go meet Sabrina for dinner at Bunny, which is this very, very, very good restaurant that I really love. Been there once before. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe come home, maybe not. Sure. Oh, here's my fit. We're just rocking this white t-shirt that's so nice and worn in. Little bag. Tight denim and boots. It's boot season. And that's it. That's the intro. So, welcome to another one. Look at the trees outside of my window. I love this apartment. I haven't really lived anywhere before this that had like a backyard with trees, and I just love them. Look at them. I took some herbs. I'm drinking coffee. I had some water. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay, my closet is still broken. It's been like 2 weeks almost. So that's why my clothes are still all over my room. It should be fixed tomorrow finally. I did ask for a rent reduction because I usually am not one to really complain about things. I was like, this is crazy. This is wild. Like, too long, even for me. And they gave me $200 off my rent, which is nice. So I'm not so peeved about it now, but that is why there's just literally clothes everywhere. Me trying to get dressed last night was hilarious. Gonna do my makeup and then have to leave soon-ish. Okay, doing my makeup. Last night was fun. I stayed out pretty late. But I was actually having fun. I don't mind staying out late if I'm having a good time. I can usually call it if I'm not having the best time ever, I'm gonna go home pretty early. But last night was pretty fun. I was in the zone. So that's fine. And today I'm going to a little show presentation that Sabrina, my good friend, is photographing, and so we're gonna go to kind of support her, and it should be fun. It's at Cafe Forgot. But yes, I need to get ready, and then I have to pick up film to bring to Sabrina because she needs more, and we run each other's errands. Sabrina and I fully have we're dating. We literally bicker we're dating and run each other's errands. That's literally all we do for each other, which is nice. You need that when you're just alone in the city. And then I feel I'll probably have to come home and change if I do end up going somehow back out later. Have a few invites. wearing these mini shorts. I don't know, but it is like a look. Where is it? I can't find it. That's my one way out. I need help.
Fashion week check.
This is my look.
Ooh. Sweetie, you look amazing. You're gonna have so much fun at the prom.
I like my kombucha how I like my men. Hey guys,
I'm new in town.
Hi, Selena Goes. We love your new show. And I'm gonna start a murder podcast like you.
Oh, here, love you. Bye.
cleaning brushes from Package Free. I've been meaning to get these. I had this one forever ago. Someone threw out the handle that I was like saving to redo, and so I got that back because I've been using these like sponges that are biodegradable, but I haven't really had a scrub brush in a while. I got one for pans. This is for like bottles, water bottles. Not having a dishwasher, I feel like my water bottles never get clean because it's so hard to reach in there. And I saw this on their website and I was like, yeah, I will definitely, this would come in handy because I have water bottles. I don't know if anyone's ever noticed, I have water bottles that have been sitting over here for months because there's like gunk in them and I just can't get it out no matter how like much I soak them or try. I just like can't get the gunk out. So we're gonna get it out with this. I have a lot of dishes piled up and we're gonna take care of them. Having one dish soap, there's like a little bit left in the background, and I wanted to try out one that is a bar dish soap to see how that works in comparison. I feel like it's, people say it's like pretty similar, so I got this to try that out from Grove Collaborative. Whenever I need like a full restock on house stuff, I get it from Grove. Just because it's like cheaper than going around here, and they have like more eco stuff at the same time. Okay, I've really been getting my life together today. I'm gonna make a yummy lunch. I'm gonna make maple cauliflower power bowls with Green Chef, today's sponsor. We love Green Chef here. And I haven't made them for a lunch for a while, but I want like a really nice, delicious meal right now. Like that would make me feel the best after eating out so much. I wanna make something really yummy and delicious. So I'm gonna make that for lunch. Then I'm gonna finish putting my closet back together and just like getting everything nice and tidy up in my house, up in my brain. And then also I want to play tennis. I think I'm gonna try to play tennis around like 4 today, or as soon as I can do all these other things, then I'm gonna go play tennis. Okay, if you have yet to hear of Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company. They offer a variety of different meal plans, catering to different types of diets, including paleo, keto, vegetarian, and vegan. I get their vegan boxes. I think they're amazing. They're such yummy vegan meals, and I think they're a really good way to incorporate more vegan meals into your lifestyle if you're looking to do so. And they make it super easy by taking all of the planning out of it, including a variety of organic ingredients in each kit, and it's just like every time it's so good. Every time it tastes like it was made at a restaurant with like the little details that they put into each meal, which is why I really love them. Each meal plan each week has 9 different recipes to choose from, so you can choose what you're gonna get. Really just take the work out of everything and make it easy to cook at home, and definitely a great way to like up your skills in the kitchen, and they usually come together in like 30 minutes or less, so super quick. If you want to check them out, go to greenchef.us/whereilive100 and use the code whereilive100 to get $100 off, including free shipping on your first box. Okay, I've already been tasting as I go, and this is gonna be so good. I can already tell that this is gonna be one of my like faves. Each part, so stupid. So stupidly good. Oh my gosh. Yum. Okay, finally we're gonna fix my closet. I've been hanging most of it up, but I'm gonna finish hanging the rest of the stuff on the floor up, and my room is finally gonna be clean, and I'm so excited. Okay, it's all in at least. I can see my floors again. Thank God. I'm so happy. I got this like unit. Asked my landlord company to get this with me. They did. They reimbursed me. It's nice. It's pretty sturdy. I built this the other day. It's nice because I can see my jeans now and my tees. I still have like stuff in the back of my closet that I need to rearrange, and I'm gonna reorganize all of this, but now I have my pants down here and my jackets down here, so it's like a little double layer. It's definitely made the closet more functional in my opinion. Like the old one was always just like wobbling, and like, yeah, I feel like there's more space than there was. So that's like the plus side to all of this. Okay, things are feeling mostly better in here, which is good. I am gonna go play tennis, and that's gonna be good. I haven't played in a few days, and I feel like I just really need to get some movement, get my blood flowing. I think that'll make me feel better. I'm feeling very like tired and groggy. Emotionally, I'm definitely feeling a little bit better than I was, so that's good. A lot of journaling yesterday to try to just like get back on track. The things that I had been like kind of spiraling over, I think, and I just like wasn't taking the time to actually, yeah, like really put genuine thought into them. That wasn't just like anxious thoughts. So that's definitely making me feel a little bit better. And yeah, just intentionally taking some like alone time the next few days to just chill by myself, because I need that to be a functioning human. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, a little bit more out and about. Def, check out Green Chef if you haven't yet, and I will see you all in the next one.